Monthly project reporting often takes hours, sometimes even days. Teams spend time collecting data, preparing charts, and writing summaries that quickly become outdated. But what if a professional, insight-driven monthly report could be generated in just minutes? With Nahla.ai, it can. Step 1. Get started with Nahla.ai. Begin by visiting Nahla.ai and clicking Get Started. Upload your latest updated project schedule, then select Upload and Analyze. Nahla.ai immediately processes your data and prepares it for intelligent reporting. Step 2. Start the monthly report. Once the analysis is complete, you have two simple options. Type Generate Monthly Report in the chat, or select Generate Monthly Report from the suggested questions above the chat box. Click Generate Monthly Report to continue. Step 3. Review summary information. At the top ribbon, you'll see a summary panel displaying key information such as schedule update status, data date used for the report. This ensures transparency and confirms the report is based on the latest available data. Step 4. Select the reporting month. Choose the month for which you want to generate the report. All charts, metrics, and AI insights automatically adjust to reflect project performance and progress for that selected period. Step 5. Choose charts and content. A predefined set of 15 professional charts is available by default. You can deselect any chart or summary that isn't required. For example, if the EAC waterfall chart is not relevant for your audience, simply uncheck it and proceed. This flexibility allows you to tailor the report for executives, project teams, or clients. Step 6. Generate the monthly report. The report is generated within seconds. The charts provide a clear, high-level overview of the project, while the AI-powered analysis delivers focused insights for the selected month, highlighting progress, risks, and key trends. Step 7. Navigate and explore the report. Use the tab-based navigation to move through the report. Charts can be expanded interactively to view tasks within the WBS hierarchy, drill down into specific activities and details. Actual cost visuals can also be added from the dashboard. Step 8. Customize milestones. Not all milestones are relevant for every audience. With Nahla.ai, you can easily remove milestones that don't need to be included, ensuring your report stays clear, focused, and audience-appropriate. Step 9. Add custom sections and attach videos. Before generating the report link, you can further enhance your report with custom sections. You can add up to 10 custom sections, rearrange them using drag and drop, and upload your own charts, progress images, or attached videos, such as executive updates or site progress walkthroughs. This allows you to combine automated project insights with custom visual context in one unified report. Step 10. Share or export the report. Once everything is finalized, enter the email address and generate the report. Instead of sharing long, static documents with dozens of pages, you can now share a single interactive report link. The same report can also be exported as a PDF, while the web version remains dynamic, allowing charts and tables to be expanded to view underlying WBS-level tasks. With Nahla.ai, monthly reporting is no longer a manual, time-consuming task. It's faster, it's smarter, and it's built for modern project teams. Spend less time preparing reports and more time delivering successful projects. Monthly reporting, reimagined with Nahla.ai.